How to add page numbers to your PDF file easily. So hey guys, in this tutorial I will be showing you how you can easily and simply add page numbers to your PDF file. So for this particular operation we will be using free online tools in order to add page numbers to your PDF file. So for that, open any web browser of your choice like Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge. And once you are inside these web browsers, simply go to the search bar and search for I love PDF. Once you have searched hit this, simply hit the enter button and you can see that in the search results we have this website that goes by the name ilovepdf.com. So simply click onto this first link for ilovepdf.com and you can see this home page. Now using this website, you can perform a number of different types of operations on your PDF files. So from here, simply hover your cursor to this all PDF tools and from here under the edit PDF, you need to click onto this second option that says add page numbers. So simply click onto this add page numbers and you can see that this page has been opened. Now from here, click onto this select PDF file and choose that particular file that you want to add page numbers in the file explorer. So let's say I want to add page numbers to this file. So I have selected this and then I'm gonna click onto this open button. And now you can see that this particular file contains 3 pages and these pages are unmarked. So let me show you how you can add page numbers to them. So if you will focus on to this right hand section, you can see this option that says page mode. So you can either choose single or facing pages. So I'll keep them to single. From here you can determine the position where the numberings will be entered. So I am also keeping this to default. For margins, you can choose different types of margins like small, big, or recommended. I am going with the recommended option, and then you also have the options to only choose those pages that you want or start from which page numbers. And apart from that, you can also edit the text like the page number or add a custom text along with that as well. And from the last section you can choose the formatting settings of the page number text. So like you can choose the font, its size, or you can also make it bold by clicking onto this bold button and underline it as well. And then once you are done with this, click onto this add page numbers button and here you can see that the page numbers has been successfully added into the PDF. And then you will need to click onto this download PDF number and you can see that this PDF has been downloaded. So let's open it and verify whether the page numbers are there or not. And here you can see that the page numbers has been successfully inserted into this particular PDF. So that's how easily you can insert page numbers into your PDF using these free online tools. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.